Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Are you ready for the solution to less stress and less arguing, more organization in your life? Then you're ready to embrace these organizer boxes from PAVSTINE. My husband and I are constantly bickering about where we put the cables for our phones or tablets or to charge anything in the house. And having these boxes has made it so easy to find and brought us less stress. It even comes with dividers, so you can choose the space that you need, up to 7 different spaces. And it's awesome because just one of the spaces can hold multiple cables or different bases, headphones, just really anything. I love that it comes with Velcro ties so you can really keep things really secure. And it also has labels. So I love labeling things, especially when you're not sure if the cord you're reaching for is a lightning cable or a USB-C or a micro USB. And so being able to label those different spots just makes it super easy to find exactly the cable that I'm looking for. I also think it's great that these come with a lid. We have a really dusty home, and so having the lid keeps it from getting dusty inside, which means less work for me. If anything that I said resonated with you, you need these organizer boxes. You will not regret it, and that's my point of view.